The New Garden Iron Dining Chair DB134-02. Alright, now that I cleaned my table, patio table, I'm going to unbox these chairs here. It's all sticky. And hopefully I can figure it out. These must be arms. The arms. Alright, here's the back. And looks like we got the instructions over here. Looks like that's it. Instructions, screws. A lot of packaging. We'll get rid of all this packaging. Throw it away. I took the packaging off of one back and now I'm doing this one. Places where you're gonna cut the packaging loose and then get rid of it. Alright, the second time's a little easier. There we go. Let me put this to the side. Now these arms. The arms of my... Got all the arms over there. There we go. Can unroll it. So I have part A here, which is the back. This is facing forward. This is the left. This is the right. So we're gonna let that have C. So this is C, and it goes here. And I've got everything ready to go here. It says do not tighten until all is put in place. So not going to tighten. And now I'm going to need part B, so I'm going to grab that. That's part B. And same on the other side. To install part D, no tightening. Then on this side, I'm just going to do it by hand. Okay, now the other side. Easy peasy. I'm going to attach part D to the legs over here, which is part B. The underside. Gonna give it a once around. All right, and now the next chair. That's it. Oh, perfect. They match. Great for guests. Chill out with a lemonade after workout. Sugar-free lemonade. All right, all done.